everyone, it's Vicky. Welcome back. 2019 is right around the corner. And so I thought in this week's video, we could take a little look back into some of my favorite moments this year in 2018 from the videos that I've created, as well as some little old bloopers. Originally, this week's video was supposed to be a little chatty holiday vintage get ready with me. And so I filmed it and I was like halfway through editing it and I just decided to not move forward with it. I just wasn't feeling it. My energy in the video was super low. I just feel like I wasn't making any sense on what the heck I was talking about. I think I've just been super tired and like overwhelmed with the holidays and work and life, and I'm just tired, and it wasn't a good one. But that's okay, it happens. And so I still wanted to bring a final end of the year video for you guys, and Mason had the great idea of just taking a look back at everything that's happened in 2018. You are gonna wanna stay till the very end of this video because as part of it, I'm also gonna be doing a little old giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's roll the tape and take a look at what has been happening on the Vicky Bermudez channel this year.
Shall we begin?
A lot of places, these are actually called Doritos. Ooh. You can't see like my nose boogers, can you?
No.
He's like holding my hair down. Are you gonna let go? Please, let go. Please, let go. You're like a Sour Patch Kid. First you pull my hair and now you wanna be my friend. Cada vez que lo veo pasar, cada vez.
Can you scoot over to your left?
For the base! For the base!
Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Oh, hi guys. Anyways, for my booby pins, my Ricky booby pins. Oh, they're all the way over there. I'm gonna have to crawl across the floor and go get them. Ah, Ellie, can you touch? Oh, can you spin? Can you spin? Spin. That's not. Charlie, you're ruining my moment. Charlie, it's not always about you. No, go get the ball. Ow! Wanna be in the video? Hi. Oh. Charlie, please don't eat the decorations. Oh God. Charlie. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. I feel like So wear your Santa hat. That's it. Ah! It's been a pretty busy year. I would say that probably one of the most adult feeling stressful years of my life, but in all, it's also been filled with many blessings, and I just want to thank you guys, to each and one of you who have been there supporting me and cheering me on every step of the way. This is a very small channel, but regardless, I put a lot of work into everything that I do to bring you guys what I feel is good quality content, and I don't know, bring a little joy to you, even if it is for a few minutes. So thank you so much, and especially thank you guys for helping me recently achieve 2,000 subscribers. It means the world to me. And so as part of a thank you to you guys, I want to run a little giveaway. So if you guys saw my Disney holiday haul video a few weeks ago, I showed you guys that I got myself a Club Mickey Mouse bag and mirror set, and so I got an extra one and I want to give that away to one of you guys. So all you have to do in order to have a chance to win that is make sure, of course, that you're subscribed to my channel and comment down below what you are most looking forward to in 2019. I can tell you what I'm looking forward to, just making videos that I'm really proud of, getting to know you guys a little bit better, and then of course also spending more time with my family and just doing the things that make me happy. So yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys are looking forward to. I will be picking a winner by next Friday, January the 4th. So yeah, enter to win from now through next week. You have a whole week to do it. I'll be seeing you guys in 2019. I will be taking a few weeks off from YouTube. I uploaded like 3 to 4 videos a month this year, which is a lot, especially when you work a full-time job. So I'm looking forward to taking a little time off in Hawaii. But I do have a lot of fun stuff lined up for you guys. It includes makeup, vintage stuff, Disney stuff, all those fun things that we love on here. Hoping you all have a super happy new year and a blessed 2019. As always, sending you guys a really, really big virtual hug wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you guys next time.